I'm Vickie. It's fall and it's almost Thanksgiving. I'm not quite done with my Christmas gift giving ideas. If you're like me and you're putting off projects, it's still time. Today, I'd like to show you a simple, fun, and fast project, the art of making cocktail napkins. You can easily make a set of 8 in just a couple of hours. And it's not only for Christmas, it could be for a birthday, a hostess gift, or any other occasion. First, you start with going to your favorite fabric store and pick up some fun prints. I did this some time ago. Elegant prints. And right now I have a beautiful bright red print that I am going to show you. First, before we start, I like to steam press the fabric nice and flat. Now it's time to measure and cut. This fabric is 44 inches in length. I fold it in half and I'm gonna get 8 napkins from this fabric. So we measure. Okay, now it's time to make the border, and it's a simple fringe. That's what we'll be doing. You need to be patient. There we go. The fringe could be, I don't know, let's see, 1/4 of an inch, all the way to 1/2 an inch. I wouldn't make it any more than that. There we go. And you have to do it, of course, all sides. Here I have one that is already done. And you press it, still press it. And there you go. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.